When we create a new file, we need to save it in Excel format or any other format that Excel provides. As you can see, this is a brand new file. This I can tell you why, because on top it says book 1, which is basically it is not saved. So in order to save it, I will click on File and say Save As. For the first time, we have to do it Save As, and after that we can simply click Save or the Save On. Here also, if I straight away click on Save, it will take me to Save As dialog box. Here we will be shown the last directories which have been used, or I can click Browse to select the place where I want to save the file. I will save it in my practice folder and I can rename it as practice sheet. Say 1, and I will save it. So it is saved here. If I want to make any changes and if I want to save it, I can simply click Save and all my changes will be saved here. Next important format that we can save the file is in the PDF file. For that, we need to make sure that the data is showing properly in the page layout, as saving in PDF is equivalent to printing the file in PDF. So for that, I will check here on my page layout. I want to see if it is looking proper or no. Actually, it's spilling the data towards the second sheet. We need to make sure that it comes in one page so that it looks better. I will quickly go to page layout and I will change the orientation to landscape and I will make the margins as narrow. Now it looks fine. It is on page 1. Now I can go ahead and save file, save as. I can select the same folder. I can keep the same name, but at this time I will select the file save as type as PDF and save. If I want to see the file in PDF, it will open up like this. Not all the programs will open like this, but it depends on the system settings. I can close this. Next important format where we can save it is as a CSV file. Lot of times we need to save some data in CSV file in order to push it to some other systems. And CSV is basically comma separated values. So it's a text file which does not contain any formatting. Let's see another set of data here. Now here we've got similar kind of data and I can save it as a CSV. In order to save in CSV, again I have to go File, Save As. I'll keep the same folder. This time I will select from here as CSV and click Save. The moment I save, the Excel gives me a warning that it can save only one worksheet. So we have to make sure that we are on the same sheet. And it will give us a warning that some of the features cannot be saved, which is fine with us. Basically, as CSV is a text format file, it cannot have the formatting. So we are okay with this.